Hey everybody, and welcome back to our kitchen. In today's video, we're wanting to stay outside more. It's getting summertime, so we're going to do a one-pot meal and show you how simple and easy it can be to put dinner on the table in one pot. We're going to be making a chicken potato dump casserole. I guess is what you could call it. We're going to cook it all in one dish and bake it in the same iron skillet. I love cooking in iron skillets. If y'all watch our channel much, you know that by now. We love our iron skillets. So we're going to take this today and make a one-pot meal with my 12-inch iron skillet. So y'all come on and join us in the kitchen as we cook our dinner. This is a simple, easy recipe. You know we're all about Southern cooking around here and making it easy and save money. So just start off by heating up your peppers, your corn, and cooking your potatoes. You're wanting to get them a good golden brown to them. And get your taters fork tender. We're going to go ahead now and add all our seasonings. Black pepper and salt. And now we're going to give all that a good mix. And you just want to let it start coming to a good cook and making sure your potatoes have a little bit of a golden color brown to them. That makes them have a lot of flavor. This kind of recipe, you can actually add whatever you have in your kitchen that you need to use up in vegetables. We done the corn today. You could even add English peas or green beans if you had some extra. And now we've got that a golden brown, we're going to go ahead now and add our cut up chicken thighs. We cut these up in little cube-sized pieces. And we're going to go ahead now and start cooking them and get them into a golden brown color. I like this big iron skillet because it's big enough that you can push your vegetables to the side and still have plenty of room to cook your chicken. Now let's go ahead and make our topping for it while our chicken is cooking. We have a pack of Ritz crackers and a half a stick of melted real butter. And yes, it's salted, y'all. We like salted real butter. And we're going to add some parsley flakes to this also. This right here is going to be the topping for your dump casserole. I like making these with this kind of crust because it just gives it that buttery flavor to the top of your casseroles. And now that our chicken's starting to get a cook, now that the chicken's getting a pretty color to it, we're going to go ahead now and mix it in with our potatoes and vegetables. And that'll coat your chicken with all your seasonings that you have already put in your vegetables. And now it's time to add our cream of soup. We made our homemade cream of soup. We don't use the canned stuff anymore. We try not to buy it because it does have a lot of different products in it we don't even know what we're using or eating. And we don't want to feed our families that. So I make it homemade now. You can make it simple and easy. And I've got a video showing y'all how. And it's a different texture than the canned cream of soup. It's more like it's a little more thinner, but it tastes the same and works great. If y'all hadn't ever made homemade cream of soup, you ought to give it a try. It'll save you money, and you'll like it even better too. But these one-pot meals make it great for summertime, whenever you're wanting to be outside working and not in the kitchen. Now that you got it good and all mixed together, we're going to go ahead now and we're going to put our crust on. These are the Ritz crackers and the salted, melted, real butter, not that margarine. We don't use that at our house. We're just going to coat the top real good with these Ritz crackers to make it have a pretty crust and a good flavor. We like good food and Southern cooking. And if y'all like that too, you might find our videos helpful, because that's how I growed up to learn how to cook, and that's how we always have cooked, just like our mamas and grannies did. Now we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to bake it. We'll be baking this for around 45 minutes on 400. That'll give you just enough time to go water your tomato plants. Now that it came out, we're going to check it. And right here in this iron skillet, we have our one-pot meal. Fast, simple, and easy. Look at it bubble, y'all. Ooh, she's going to be good. Travis is going to like his supper tonight after working out in the yard all day. And it don't heat up the kitchen as bad. Doing a one-pot meal helps not heat up the kitchen and saves you time. But I call this a one-pot dump chicken casserole. I hope y'all give it a try, and if you do and like it, don't forget to give us our thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.